In this video we are going to unbox and review this Chinese 34-inch widescreen monitor Gawfolk Bandfish 144 Hz with resolution of 2K 3440 by 1440p. How you doing, boys and girls? So today we are going to review this monitor that I purchased. This is a Chinese monitor from AliExpress. It's 34 inches across. It's 2K resolution, 2K widescreen, and if I sit to it with my hand extended, right, and then some a little bit, I can see everything. It's ideal monitor for electronics repair, for what I do. This is not the first time that I actually have experience with Chinese monitors. Previously, I purchased a 29-inch monitor from AliExpress and I left it in Russia. It was a great monitor. The only thing I did not like about it is its size. 29 inches, same distance, right? Maybe a little bit more. I could not see really well into monitor. I had to lean forward. But that monitor was 1080p and this one is 2K. Resolution is much more and I can see perfectly. Even if I lean back in my chair like this, I can also see everything perfectly. This monitor is ideal. How about we take a closer look using a better camera? So this is what it looks like on my desk. It's not that big. It's not big. I wish it would be a little bit bigger to fill that space, but it's a good size monitor. It has a curve to it. The leg, it's okay, but I'm gonna put it on vessel mount, so I don't care about the leg. But when you assemble it, you might think that the leg is pretty cheap. It is pretty cheap, but when it's standing on your table, it doesn't matter. Monitor has some buttons over here. This is how menu looks like. It has DCR. DCR is, let me show it to you. Basically, it adjusts brightness based on the scene, on what is shown on the monitor. For me, this is sometimes not bright enough, so I don't use DCR. Different color settings, picture quality, aspect ratio, you can change that. Audio. Now, this monitor does not have built-in speakers, guys, but there is a 3.5mm jack in there that you can connect, and you can connect external speakers. What else? Multi-window view. Basically, this is a picture-in-picture. So, check this out. Basically, we can do this. I could have my notebook on this monitor, right? And I could output microscope camera into this small little window. And I can move this window around down here, here or here. This feature is present, but more likely this feature is to be used with security cameras. Let's turn it off. back to normal. Okay, what else we have in there? On-screen display position and other, that's a FreeSync. HDR, I don't have neither FreeSync nor HDR because I'm using ancient W520 ThinkPad. So that's how the monitor looks like. I paid for it $176.76. That's tax and shipping included. I got it on sale. I ordered it March 17th, 2025, and I received it March 20th, so it's 18, 19, 20, 3 days. They ship it out of warehouse in Fulton, Georgia. I live in Miami, Florida. So let's do unboxing. So anyway, in the background you can see the suitcase that I purchased in Russia. Just want you to point that out. Something interesting. Anyway, when monitor arrives to you, or anything else for that matter, from AliExpress, what you want to do is you want to film unboxing, because if something happens, maybe the item is broken or damaged, you are going to be required to provide some proof, and by you recording video you are going to have some proof. As you can see, monitor arrived in just its monitor box, no additional boxes, just the box that it comes with. And as you can see, there is some minor damage to the box. I'm here just trying to do my best to open this thing up and film it. When I was opening up this monitor, I knew that I'm going to do this video because I was looking for reviews on this monitor and did not find anything. But also I recorded it because this was a purchase from AliExpress, and you have to record your purchase from AliExpress. Anyway, the monitor comes in I'm looking for this English word in this white stuff, right? Penoplast, it's called penoplast. And all the accessories are on the top of penoplast box. Power supply, part of a leg, and the monitor itself. First thing we want to do, you see, you cannot touch the screen of the monitor, or TV for that matter. You have to take it out without touching the screen, because you could break it. So first thing you want to do is just look if there are any shattering. You're gonna see it. I mean, it should be fully black all the way around. If the screen has some shattering, you're gonna see it. You're gonna see it running up and down. And as you can see, this screen looks perfect. Up next, what you wanna do is lock yourself in a bathroom. What you wanna do is check for white bleed. Basically, you're looking for dark screen, and on this dark screen you want to see how much the background, the backlight is going through corners. On this monitor, the white bleed is not bad. It looks okay. Man, first impressions are just wow. This is amazing. Just let me put the mouse in and let's continue. So I got it March 20th and today is April 5th, so it's 16 days later. Impressions are still there. Wow, this monitor is good. So anyway, we unboxed it. We did the white bleed test. We like it. So now is the time to check for dead pixels, because this actually determines if this monitor stays or it's going to be returned. Just search Google for dead pixel test. You're gonna find some website. Use whatever you find. So you just flip colors on the entire screen, and if some pixels do not change colors, you are going to see that. The monitor is only 34 inches. I mean, the number sounds big, but it's in reality it's not big. So you are going to see if something's off. And on this monitor there was no dead pixels. Everything was excellent. Always fun to remove the protective film. Yeah, speaking of glare, the monitor, I sit next to a window and the monitor does not have any glare, so it's real nice. No dead pixels. So you want to keep this box for at least months, because warranty, in case something happens to a monitor, you want to return it. The warranty is for 1 year, so if you could store it somewhere for 1 year, that'd be amazing. Let's read some labels on this box. It's from USGA warehouse, 301 Cypress MDW Drive, Suit 100, Puller, Georgia 31322, shipped by UPS ground. Now, manufacturer, company Shenzhen, King Hong Zhuyu Technology Company Ltd, address 308 Building 1, Zhongliang Yangjing Plaza, Heshukou Community, Matian Street, Guangming District, Shenzhen. So it's in city of Shenzhen. Heshukou Community, basically what that means is people work with a factory, they live there, and they make things like this monitor and other things. Email valued_service@outlook.com. US representative, name Sun Byong Consulting Ltd, address office number 448 4th floor, 90 Canal Street, Boston, Massachusetts 02114. Email Mr. sunbyong@gmail.com. I mean, that's why you want to keep the box. I mean, what can die in this thing? Beside power supply, I don't see any other reason that it would die from a standpoint of repairing things. So, but sometimes, sometimes dead pixels might pop out on new monitors, so that's your primary reason to keep the box. And less often something might be wrong with the screen. You might get lines, not just on Chinese monitors, on any monitors, any brands, on TVs as well. So keep the box for at least a month. If for a year, that's even better. Yeah, man, as far as quality, this monitor, there is no complaints about it, none whatsoever. In DCR mode, I wish it would have more brightness, but if you don't use DCR, it has plenty of brightness. Even with the window over here, I live in Miami. If the sun is out during the morning and afternoon, there is no problem with the brightness. And the price is nice, $176 shipped and with tax. So there is no reason to buy this monitor. But if you go with more expensive monitor like $300, $400, $500, $600, the same size, obviously you're gonna be happier with it. But your wallets might not be that happy after that kind of purchase. And this monitor can also be purchased on Amazon and Walmart and on Newegg. And on Newegg, check this out, display colors are listed as 256,000, which is absolutely false. This is a 16.7 million color display. But whatever, I guess that's the reason why it does not have any reviews. Anyway, this is it for this review. I do electronics repair. If you need your notebook repaired, contact. And if you like this video, guys, press a like. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and I see you next one.